Hello everyone, and welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we'll be replacing a power dial. Let's get started.
For this video, you will need a cup of hot water, a knife, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, remove the battery from the sprayer. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws holding the battery cover in place. Remove the battery cover, pivot rod, and spring, and set all the parts aside. Then, using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cover plate. Loosen the strain relief fitting and gently set the cover plate aside. Locate the hose clamp where the hose connects to the diaphragm pump. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn the clamp counterclockwise to loosen it. Once the hose clamp is loosened, pull the hose off of the pump. Slide the hose out of the sprayer housing to remove it. Using the knife, gently slice the protective tape around the connection point between the power switch and circuit board. Disconnect the circuit board from the power switch and remove the old cover plate. Now we can repeat the steps in reverse to install the replacement cover plate. First, connect the circuit board to the power switch. Take the hose and insert it into the new cover plate, then slide the hose clamp onto the hose. To make it easier to attach the hose to your sprayer's pump, dip the end of the hose into a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 seconds. This allows the hose material to soften and become more malleable. Fit the end of the hose to the pump barb, slide the hose clamp into place, and tighten it using the flathead screwdriver. Once the new cover plate is connected, place a battery into your sprayer and turn it on. Carefully inspect the pump and hose connection for leaking. If there is any leaking, tighten the hose clamp further. If the sprayer functions normally, slide the circuit board into the slot on the cover plate, then secure the cover plate using the Phillips head screwdriver. Reinstall the battery cover after the cover plate has been secured. Assemble the cover rod and spring to the cover plate and secure using the black plastic clamps and Phillips head screws.